Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. I don't know if I've showed you this for some time. Look, this is where we're up to with Optimus Prime. Obviously we've done the body, we've done an arm, we've done a leg, we've done a blaster, we've done pretty much quite a lot. We even started to stand. And we're going to be continuing on that today with stages 82 and 86 of the Fanhome release and build the Michael Bay Optimus Prime.
My name is Optimus Prime.
I did that because I'm aware that I keep promising let's go and look at what we've created so far, and I've never showed it at the end of the video. So if I do it at the beginning of the video, I can't forget, can I? Okay, so 82 to 86. I haven't looked through these. Doesn't look to be too much to do today, but it's going to be a light day, I think, compared to some of the videos that we've been doing lately. I don't know if this is still available. I will put the link up there because if it becomes available in the future, then that link will become live as well. It's in the video description, and there's also that QR code on the screen. But without further ado, let's get cracking. Okay, so stage 82. Here is the instructions. Let's see exactly what we're doing today. Oh, I've actually got this upstairs, that one. Okay, sorry. Squirrel moment. Okay, so we're going to be still working on the left foot here. So we've got these parts here that we're going to be putting together just like this. So then that's looking just like that there. And this is the left foot that we've been working on. So I'm just going to put that to one side. And here are the parts for stage 82, which includes a wheel. Okay, so as well as the parts that we've got for this stage here, I'm also going to need this part from stage 81, which is a metal piece here. And this is going to be going onto the bracket here. Now, this bracket is going to go this way round with this slightly up. And I'm quite simply just going to be pushing that into there like that. It's going to be held in with a HP screw. And just tighten that up as much as you can. Now, I've been using these screwdrivers for ages, just to let you know that I am going to be changing the screwdrivers that I'm using. You're going to be seeing that on the channel in the next few weeks, but stay tuned for that. So bringing over this part here that we created in the last pack, this is going to be going onto this side just here. So that's going to go on there like that. And that's going to be held in with an FP screw. It is another long screw. And get that in tight. We're going to be putting the whole foot now on top of this section. If you look on the bottom, we've got these two lugs here, just going to go on top of those there. That's a case of lining them up. So it's going to go in like that, but it's held in from the underside with IP screws. So it's probably best to actually have it round this way. And screw these in. So one here, and one just on this side here. So, there you go. Happy that's in tight. Last thing I've got is this little tab here. It has got a little D-shaped pattern in it. God, I'm saying little again today. It's one of those little days today, a lot. And that just goes on top there. Apart from the tyre bits here, that's all there is to do in that stage. I thought that'd be a good time to show you exactly what we are building. You've seen the torso and head, so this is the leg that we're building, and obviously we're working on this area here because we've already done one leg at the moment. Looks pretty impressive though. This is stage 83 then, and here's the instructions. And we're going to be doing the left foot, so we've still got some more parts here. Looks like we are now finally going to be putting the wheel onto that section, so now that's looking like that. And this is stage 83 just here. Get all of those parts out. So first thing we do is going to be creating the rim. So we're going to be taking these two parts together. These are all plastic, just so you know. And that's just going to fit over the top there. It's held in with IP screws. And we need 4 of these. So I'll just get all 4 of these into place. And then we need to put this rim into here. And this is hard as rock. There's no way I'm getting that in there. I don't think I am anyway. So I am just going to loosen it up just a touch. As a matter of fact, I might be able to actually. Let's have a look. This will be fun. No, I'm going to make myself easier for myself. I'm just going to put this in a bit of hot water, which I've got here. Once again, you don't want to be putting boiling hot water on a mat because it will make the mat go funny. So I put it on the cloth there. I'm just going to drop that in there like that. It's not going to be in there for very long at all. We're talking like 10 seconds top. So that should be enough. See what I mean? Look, plenty of giving it now. So I can just put that in like this. See? Simple. Just makes things a lot easier. All I'm going to do then is I'm going to be pushing this just onto this side here. So it goes onto the 4 pegs and push this in. Perfect. We've got a wheel coming. On this side is where we're going to be putting the wheel guard, or as the Americans call it, a fender, I guess. I'm clipping that in there, but it is held in with these flange screws. I'm very much confused because I thought the fender in American is like the bumper of the car. And this is just the wheel guard or the wheel arch. I don't know. It's very confusing. There we go. They're both in that way, looking like that. And then if you see, this joint here is going to go into the ball joint of the foot that we've been creating. So it goes in just like this. And then unfortunately on mine, this bit broke off. But what you do then is you'd actually push this up to here. I'm going to be gluing that in on mine. Just like that. See, not everything goes perfect on the World of Wayne channel, so I do have things break off, but I have to deal with it as it comes along. But that's all there is to do in that stage. Okay, so in stage 84, we're going to be going back to something we haven't seen for a while, and that is the ion blaster. So I've got some parts to add to that we've already created that are looking just like that. If you can't remember how that looks, this is what we created there. Okay, small pack this time. And first thing I'm going to do is going to be putting this detail on this bit of plating here. Now it actually goes into this section just here. So I'm going to be pushing that like that. I'm going to be putting a screw, which is a DP screw, through the hole to hold that into place. What I'm going to do then is take this section here, which has got a locating lug at the bottom. It's going to go over these 2 points here. So put it in like that. Excellent. That's going to be held in with a CCP screw. And screw that in there. And there you go. That's all there is to do in that stage. So in stage 85, that little interlude where we went back to the ion blaster, we now go back and do the left leg now. So we're going to be starting the leg, all of these parts here going together just like that. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking these 2 parts here. This is metal, and I'm just going to be pushing this ball joint into the end here. It is it is hard, but I think I've got it. No, let's put a little bit of oil in there. That's going to help that out. There you go. It's in now. Heard it click. Okay, bringing the leg over. I want it this way round, leg over. Look at me. God, make myself laugh. Okay, I'm going to be putting this plate into here. It just pushes into these lugs. So it's nice and flush in there. I need to do this with the build I did yesterday, by the way, on the Batmobile. Someone said that when I pushed in the plate at the end, I hadn't pushed in this side, so I need to do that. I do have a ball joint to put on. That's going to go onto these 2 points here, but it's going to go through the hole. So it's upside down. So when I put it in, that's how that's going to look on the other side. And I'm holding that in with HM screws. Now, these are flange screws. Need 2 of them. They are also metal. So we're getting some nice, lot of oil on there just to lubricate that up. And then finally, just onto this peg here on the side, I've got this detail to put in, which clips in just like that. And with those 2 bits done, that's all there is to do in that stage. So the final stage of this pack, stage 86. Here is the magazine. And we're going to be doing some more parts of the left leg here, just adding these details here. Okay, lots of metal parts in here. Every time you see a plastic box like this, it means it's full of metal. It also means you're going to have a nightmare trying to get them out of here. Okay, so I want this detail first and what we created in the last stage. Now you can see we've got a little notch here which is going to go into that indent there. So this is going to go in, just line it up like that. Now I need to hold it in by putting a screw through there, which is a PP screw. PP screw. I'm in one of those moods today. Okay. So screw that in here. Perfect. So that's in place. On this side, I've now got this metal detail to put in. Now this goes in this way. You can see it's got a D-shaped pattern. All metal, so it's going in like that. That's held in from the other side with an FM screw. Definitely making a joint here. That's perfect. And then this whole thing is going to go into the leg area that we've been creating here. It's basically going to go into the indent bridge that you can see there. So that's going to go in like that. Now to hold that into place, we do have a bracket. So I'll show you from the top camera. That's going to go in there. The bracket's going to go over the top. And then that's held in with BM screws. Now I'm just loosening this bracket up because you do want to make sure that this goes all the way through to the other side. Let me just tighten this back up again. I'll show you what I mean. And this one. So on the top camera there, see the spindle comes through here, but it does come out the other side there as well. Okay, still gives ability to turn. Once we're happy with that in position, we're going to be taking the cover here, putting that over the top there, and it's going to be loads of BM screws now to put this into place. As a matter of fact, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 BM screws. Almost missed that middle one just there. Let's do that one first. And this is the last screw going in here. So that is the second part of the leg completed for this pack. We're obviously going to be continuing that next time. So I've shown you the other leg, I've showed you the torso, I've showed you the head. So to end with, I'll show you the arm with the fingers there. That's how that looks. Now, I do have a video that I took at New York Comic Con of what the actual finished model looks like. So again, if you haven't seen what this looks like when it's finished, check this out. But that is Optimus Prime done for another day. I really do hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.